What's going on, everyone? I thought I would update. It's been like almost a week since my last video. If you didn't see my last video, I actually did a 24-hour dopamine detox, which you'll see. It's my last video, just check it out on my channel. And I was actually just off basically technology. I was off caffeine for a whole 24 hours. Was a bit of a struggle, I won't lie, but it was definitely good. It was definitely made me, well, I did a lot. I like cleaned my house, I did the groceries, I got a lot done, and I will say I am like happy to be back with technology, but that was almost a week ago now. Now the video before that, this is an update to this video, by the way. The video before that I was talking about my Aussie dropshipping store. If you haven't seen all the shit that I've been going through with that, just hurdle after hurdle. I can't say I haven't enjoyed it because it's still fun to sort this stuff out for me. But it's basically about this new dropshipping store that I launched, and I've been going through this whole thing with, because I wanted to launch a store during COVID, during quarantine, and I'm going to show you guys, all the roadblocks and everything that I have along the way. And yeah, go and check out that last video. I talk about all my struggles with it. Now, where we left off was I was changing my ad. By this time, I changed my ads about 4 times now. And it was at that point where, okay, the day before I did this 24-hour dopamine thing, I had no sales. I had no sales at all because I changed my ads, and I thought, this is really, really weird. This is strange. I don't know what's going on. I thought, okay, I'm going to leave it another day. Now, fast forward to the day during quarantine. I couldn't put any orders out because I couldn't go on my computer or on my phone or whatnot. No technology. So I left it. I checked it the day after. Now, this is the funny thing. That next day, I'll try and post a screenshot here. That's why I've left this whole big area here, because I'll post the screenshots here. That next day, after this dopamine detox thing, that I realized that the day during the detox was the biggest day that I'd had with this product so far. Now, if you guys didn't know, I moved from my dental product and I'd stopped that completely. Now I'm just selling the fitness product and I'm trying to scale that up. So, where are we at the moment? You can probably see from the title of this video, yes, we're actually now back on track. We are now profitable again. Well, profitable day by day now. And it's finally starting to actually work out. So now where I'm at the moment, I think last week was probably our biggest week. I think in revenue, we did getting close to, I think it was like 2.2K, getting close to 2.5K in revenue for the week as well. So now we're starting to slowly become profitable with that, and I had to work my way around that because if you guys didn't know, I'm now using Hyperskew for my orders. I'm going to let you guys know how that goes as well. I'm going to have to wait a week or two, see how the orders fulfill, see how long they take, see how long the shipping takes, answer back any custom questions that I might have, because I'm still doing this all on my own. I'm still fulfilling the orders by myself. I'm still answering back any emails that I get, any questions I get on the Facebook page, anything like that, I'm still answering them all. So I just want to get all this experience, out of the way and actually scale it first and know what I'm doing before I go ahead and hire VAs or hire different people, all that kinds of things. So I've been doing that myself, and then yeah. So this week that just went, it's probably my biggest week. I think it was yesterday or the day before. I posted another screenshot. It was my biggest day so far. I think I was getting close to about 700 in revenue just for the day. So we're getting closer and closer to hitting 1K days. But like I was saying before, we're now using Hyperskew. And even though the price is a little bit more expensive with the shipping times, they say it is a lot better. Like I said, we'll have to see as these orders come in and I bulk fulfill them. We'll see how they go. But so far, Hyperskew has been a lot better than AliExpress and Zendrop. So we're going to see how that goes. But now we're at the point so I started this store just before April. I think it was on the 29th of March. And just on this month alone, we're a little over 5K in revenue, which is great. And that is mostly now due to the fitness product. So I'll post what we're at for the month, or actually, I can actually show you right here on my phone. What we're at the moment for the month, we're just over 5K. And today at the moment, we're up at about 250, I think it is. Yeah, $260 revenue. Look, we're doing okay, and I'm just plodding along and just showing you guys this whole experience, because The reason why I just to reiterate to you guys, the reason I've launched the store in this, during this period, was to show you guys, okay, if we can do this during a time where everyone's laying low, everyone's trying to save money, they might not be spending as much, even though there's more people, shopping online, they might not be spending as much or impulse buying. If we can launch a store here that is actually, that you can actually grow and actually make profitable, imagine what you can do when everyone's back to normal. Imagine what you can do when the shipping times aren't so extreme everywhere. That's what I just want to show to you guys, that if we can do it here, if we can work our way around it here, imagine what we can be done. There's so many people out there that give a bad name to dropshipping, and I can see why. It's because people are buying crappy products from China, people aren't checking if the quality is okay, people are not caring about the shipping times, they might lie to their customers. Look, if you have got your customers' best interests in mind, you have got customer satisfaction in mind, and of course, it needs to be a business that makes money, but if money isn't your main focus, if it is your main focus and you don't care about, your customers and whatnot, you're probably not going to last that long. If you care about things like customer shipping times, just your customer satisfaction as a whole, if you're focusing on your customers and giving them quality product, then, and growing your brand as well, you're most likely going to last longer than someone who's just focusing on the money. Yeah, as I'm talking about this, now this store as a whole is the same store that I've used for my other product that did about 16K in revenue for a month. It was just over 16K in revenue for a month. I think we're on track this month for this product, for its first month, doing probably about 6K, I'd say. We've still got another week left, so if we can do a K in sales in a week, I'd love to do 2K, because that'll push it up to 7K for the month. That'd be great. And if we can make it even more profitable, because what I've done now is I've brought the price of product up, and people are still buying it. I haven't put it up that much. It's probably been put up by about $5 or so, off memory, maybe $10. I can't remember. But there are other people still selling it higher than what I have. They're selling it way higher than what I've got it. So it's still profitable, which is good. And just making sure that my ad sets are still profitable. I'm still cutting out the ones that aren't working and either duplicating or upping the ad spend on the ones that aren't spending too much. Just trying to be smart with it and just trying to grow it progressively. I don't want to chuck all this money into it, and if it's not profitable, I'm not going to go ahead and put an ad set up to $100 a day for no reason. If it's profitable, I'm just going to go up gradually and just make my way through there. So it's been good. It's been a lot of learning curves. Like I said, I have had another successful product before this. But now, as a whole, this store that I've had now with these two, I guess you could call, successful products, now this store is up at around, I think, 30K as a whole in revenue. And look, if I did this product earlier, if I did another good product earlier, I could probably have this store up to over 50K easily. But that was because I did that product that did about, I think it was about a little bit over 20K, I think it was about 23K. Then I stopped, and then I wanted to sort of regather myself, and then that's when I've launched this product as well, and I'm scaling that. So there was a couple of months there, or a month or two there, where I stopped. If I didn't and I kept growing another product, then it probably would have been a different store. It probably would have been, like I said, a lot higher in revenue for this store as a whole. But I can see this easily, and this is why I like telling you guys about it. I can see this easily as creating a six-figure business. Now, it takes a lot of work. I'm not going to say that it's just easy and you sell your products and that's it. You are going to get customers have problems with their orders. It's just the way things work. You're going to have customer questions. You're going to have people give you a bad rap. You're going to have people, say good things about it. Any business you go through, 30K as a whole is not bad at all. And I can definitely see this being over six-figure business a year, or even do 20 to 30K a month, even on a singular product. It is possible, even here in Australia. If you guys didn't know, if you haven't seen my other videos already, this is an Aussie-only store. I'm not selling to anyone outside of Australia. Yes, my products are getting shipped from overseas, but I'm making sure that the shipment times are quick. I'm making sure that the quality is good, and only selling to Aussies. I only run my things to Aussies. Now, I do want to make a store where I'm selling to maybe the US or selling to another country, but for now I just want to show you guys. I want to show you Aussies. That's where I've niched it down just for you guys. It's only to Aussies. All these numbers that you've seen on the store, only to Australians. I've only been selling to Australians. everything is Aussie based. So that's what I like about this. I could probably even do more on a US store, who knows, but I just want to show you guys this for now and teach you guys just as I go. So yeah, as the store is at the moment, I am getting consistent sales each day now. I am slowly scaling my ads, and like I said, I think last week we got about 2.5K in sales. I'll post the screenshots here if I haven't already. And yeah, we're doing well. Like this month as a whole is doing okay. This is like the first actual month of selling this. I've only been selling this fitness product for like the last 2 weeks or so, because that's when I swapped over from my dental product. And that's it. I think that's all there is to the update so far. Haven't really had too many customer problems, too many emails. So we'll have to wait, and for the next couple of weeks and see if we get any refunds or see if we get any problems with orders and whatnot. Because like I said, this is my first time using HyperSkew as well, and you can bulk fulfill orders, and we're just going to see how it goes. All we can say is, we'll see how it goes and we'll go from there. But hope you guys are enjoying this series anyway. I do enjoy keeping you guys up to date with it, and we've had some downturns with it already. We've had stuff that we need to get over. We've changed suppliers on this product like 4 or 5 times now. Now we've finally got one that's got good shipping during this pandemic, and we've got good shipping times, decent price, and the ad sets are slowly scaling. The ad sets were probably actually the easiest part in this sense. The targeting was pretty good. I'm going to try and do some more targeting, some different areas of targeting, see if I can push some more sales with this. But yeah, another thing on the store as well, I posted on my Instagram a few days ago. I hit my 500th order, which is good. It's a lot different to selling a $10 product where, to make the same amount of revenue, you need to sell thousands of units. So with mine, all my products are usually around $40 to $65, $40 to $70 maybe, give or take. It's a lot easier well, I'd say it's a little bit harder to hit those units sold. So, but in saying that, it's a lot easier to gain your revenue sold if you've got higher ticketed items. So, it's been good so far. So if you guys have any questions about dropshipping, about what I'm doing with everything so far, or if you have any questions, if you're getting stuck or anything, just for you guys, just so you know, I am working on a dropshipping course, because I can't tell you how many questions I've had. Okay, so my camera turned off because apparently it was overheating. I'm getting a new camera, by the way. I forgot to mention that before, but I'm getting I think it's like a Sony A6400 or A4600, something like that. I don't know. But it's got 4K video, and it's going to be a lot better. It's going to be a lot better than this camera I have right now. I've been using this camera for the last couple of years, but I think it was time to upgrade. So yeah, like I was saying before, I've been getting so many messages about dropshipping. I think dropshipping is more attractive at the moment than Amazon FBA, just because of the hype around it, just because of the cost of entry to it. But like I was saying, my students are still selling on Amazon. I'm still selling on Amazon. My units have actually been selling more and more these days during COVID. And like I said, I've been focusing on Aussie Amazon as well. So it's nothing about Amazon being out the window or anything. I just like the idea of Amazon as well as dropshipping. That's why I'm currently doing dropshipping now, because I want to focus on this series. But yeah, myself and my students still haven't stopped selling on Amazon. So, go ahead and try both. Go ahead and try Amazon as well. If you don't have to buy thousands of dollars worth of units, you can start off with like a $200 order. If you want to do that with Amazon, send it to the warehouse and see how you go. Because you don't have to focus on stuff like Facebook ads and that. More so you can focus on the Amazon traffic, just selling it on their site. There's pros and cons to both. But since this series has been focused on dropshipping, I'll talk a little bit more about that. But yeah, the amount of questions that I've been getting, people that have been wanting a course for Aussie dropshipping, I have planned it out. I haven't filmed anything yet, but it is in the works. So you're more than likely going to be seeing content around that very soon. But apart from that, that's about it. I'm just keeping you guys up to date on this store. And I'll more than likely be launching another store in the future and selling in the US. But so far, I like the idea of just selling just to Aussies. It's a bit more close to home. So hope you guys are enjoying it too. But apart from that, look, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.